Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
Hi guys! Welcome to JapanesePod101.com. This is Hiroka. So today I'm going to explain about Dayo. Yay! So guys, have you ever seen Dayo? It's a kind of the word. Like we put Dayo in the end of the sentences. So for example, これがお菓子だよ like that. Maybe you guys have heard this kind of phrases だよ. But when I searched in the website or chat board, like Japanese learners always like confuse this phrase, this word. So today, if you watch this video, it's become so clear, and then you can understand the concept of the Dayo, and you can use the next time when you talk with your friends. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so there are two concepts about Dayo. So first one is when you say something and then to other person, and then other person say something to you, and you want to mention your opinion to the person. And second one is like you point the stuff, something. So this is the concept of a Dayo. Yeah, so the first concept is like, for example, please watch this the example.
はい、ドナルド、お土産だよ。
ありがとう、ひろか。
Okay, so I said, ドナルド、これがお土産だよ. It means, hey Donald, this is a souvenir for you, like that. So so it means I point this. Okay, so you can use this dial to anything, like これがアイマスクだよ. You want to, when you want to mention this is eye mask to friends, you can say だよ. This is glass case. So これメガネケースだよ. Like that. これメガネケースだよ. Okay. And then also, please watch this.
これどうやって使うの、ひろか？
これはね、こうやって、こうやって、こうやって使うんだよ。
Okay, so maybe you guys think like, what is that thing? Okay, ask me like, oh, Hiroka, how do you use this one? How do you use this one? And I answer, こうやって使うんだよ. It means like, Donald, this is how we use. So I say だよ. So it means like I want to mention the usage of this class to the Donald, like to my friend. Also like it means like you bits, like it includes a bit something like you falsely say to your opinions to your friends, like this is how to use. Maybe you guys think you guys have the scene in the manga, like a Japanese comic. Maybe you've seen like nani nani da. When you talk with someone, and if you use da, it's a bit unnatural. That sounds like the sentence is the cut. you cut the sentence. これはお土産だ. It's like a bit sounds a bit unnatural. So I think like a conversation is like a catchball between people. So like for example, you maybe you put the like at the end of the sentence like that, or like this, or like, or well. It sounds like a connector between the sentences. That is like a more like the end sentence. Like improve the good, like a better conversation. Like, and also the sentences becomes more softer. Like it sounds very softer. You can put anything. I think like almost all sentences to Dayo. But please be careful. Please use this only to your friends or like younger people. Please don't use to older people. It's really rude. So the Dayo is a really like a casual phrases, like, so that's why. Yeah, okay. So last so thank you for watching this. I think you guys now you guys can perfectly use these phrases Dayo. So you're becoming a professional. If you want to learn more Japanese phrases or like a Japanese words, and if you want to improve your the Japanese conversation skills, please watch the more video in this channel, and also you can download the lessons in the subscription below. Okay, so thank you guys. Bye bye.